Welcome to this short meditation class designed to help you be in the now, be in your body. So closing down the eyes, coming to a comfortable seat, maybe on a cushion, maybe on a chair or on the floor. Straightening your spine, crown of the head lifting towards the ceiling or sky. Hands resting somewhere comfortable in your lap or on your knees. See if you can notice the quality of the air in and out through the nostrils. Whenever you notice the mind has wandered somewhere else, can you gently guide it back to the breath? See if you can feel your nose tip in space. This is your centering point. You can also feel the weight of your hands pressing down into your body, your senses, whatever you hear, whatever you smell, taste, touch. All bringing you back to right now. And in these stretches of silence, seeing if you can return to the breath whenever you remember. Not judging. Seeing if the stretches between thoughts can go a little bigger. All your awareness on your nose, on your hands in your lap. Very gently starting to come back to the space. Pressing your hands down into your legs. Hands to heart center. Bowing down towards yourself. Remembering the breath is always with you, always there, whenever you need it.